episode of Keegan's Kitchen, and for today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make the best homemade bread pudding recipe. Stay tuned. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add my eggs, 3 eggs, 3 cups of milk, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of raisin, also have half cup of bourbon, half cup of red wine, I'm also going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now I'm just going to mix all of my wet ingredients together along with the other spices. And the reason why I added the red wine and the bourbon, that's going to enhance the flavor of the bread pudding. I also have 1 loaf of white bread. It's already, cut. You just want to add that directly to the wet ingredient. So we're just trying to make sure the bread is like fully soaked and not dry. Everything is fully covered. So we're just gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes while we're greasing up the baking pan and getting the oven ready. You wanna place your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake our bread pudding for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Or until the top is nice and golden brown. Alright guys, so check this out. I'm about to start making the creamy bourbon sauce that's going to be going on top of the bread pudding. So the first thing that I'm going to add is my butter. This is 4 tablespoons. As soon as the butter is fully melted, I'll go ahead and add my powdered sugar, my bourbon, heavy cream, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, go ahead and add some cinnamon, add my nutmeg, and finally I'm going to add my bourbon. Smelling so freaking good. Just constantly keep mixing the sauce. Oh yeah, it's on fire, guys. And we're not gonna let the sauce burn too much. Once it becomes caramelized, then we'll just take it off the stove and let it sit for a minute. Sauce is nice and thick. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so the bread pudding is finally ready. It's nice and golden. You just want to let it cool after you remove it from the oven. Let it sit for at least a good 30 minutes to an hour. Let it cool down a little bit. So I'm just gonna slice right into it. Oh yeah. Look at it guys. Ooh, it's looking so good. Look at that. Okay guys, so this is my version of how to make a delicious homemade bread pudding recipe.